What if you had unlimited money? What would you buy first? A private jet, a supercar, or a luxury island? Today, we take you inside the life of real billionaires, how they truly spend their money, their biggest luxuries, and the smart investments they make to stay rich forever. Most people think billionaires waste money on luxury items. But the truth is, they don't just buy things, they buy assets that make them richer. Real billionaire examples. Mukesh Ambani's business empire. Mukesh Ambani, India's richest man, owns Antilia, a $2 billion house in Mumbai with 27 floors, 3 helipads, and a snow room that creates artificial snowfall. But instead of just spending on luxury, he reinvests billions into Reliance Industries, which dominates telecom, GIO, retail, and energy. His smart investments have made him wealthier every year. Jio alone disrupted India's mobile market and made over $87 billion in revenue in 2023. Elon Musk's reinvestment strategy. Unlike most billionaires, Musk doesn't own a massive mansion. He lives in a $50,000 tiny prefab house near his SpaceX base. Instead of luxury, he reinvests everything into companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. His Tesla stock skyrocketed from $17 per share in 2010 to over $1,000 in 2021, turning early investors into millionaires. Kylie Jenner and Rihanna's beauty empires. Kylie Jenner became a billionaire not from TV fame, but by launching Kylie Cosmetics, which made $600 million plus in revenue in its first year. Rihanna turned Fenty Beauty into a billion-dollar company by targeting diverse skin tones, making her the richest female musician. Forget first-class flights. Billionaires own the way they travel. A single trip can cost more than an entire house. Real billionaire Jeff Bezos's $500 million super yacht. Koru Bezos's yacht. Koru is 127 meters long, has 3 decks, a massive swimming pool, and is so big that it requires a support yacht to carry helicopters and crew. It reportedly costs $500 million and takes a full-time crew of 40 to maintain. Elon Musk's private jet, Gulfstream G650ER. Musk may live in a small house, but he flies on a $70 million Gulfstream G650ER. Reports show he flies every 2 days for business meetings across Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Kylie Jenner's $72 million pink-themed private jet. Kylie's custom private jet includes pink leather seats, a full bar, LED lighting, and Kylie Air branding. A single round trip on her jet costs over $200,000. Billionaires don't just buy things, they pay for experiences that money can't buy. Real live examples of luxury billionaire experiences. Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos's space race. Bezos spent $5.5 billion on Blue Origin's first private space tourism trip in 2021. Musk's SpaceX already charges. Bill Gates' exclusive island retreats. Gates rents entire islands for private vacations with his family, with custom-built mansions and private chefs. Floyd Mayweather's private concerts. The boxing champ pays artists like Drake and Justin Bieber over $1 million for private performances at his mansion parties. But some of the richest people in the world are also the biggest philanthropists. Real billionaire charity examples. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett's Giving Pledge. Gates and Buffett started the Giving Pledge, where billionaires promise to donate 99% of their wealth before they die. Gates alone has donated $59 billion to fight malaria, education, and climate change. Mukesh Ambani's charity for India's future. Ambani funds rural digital education, investing billions to bring the internet to 600 million plus Indians via Jio. Cristiano Ronaldo's charity donations. Ronaldo donates millions to children's hospitals and funds surgeries for sick kids around the world. So, what did we learn today? Billionaires don't just buy luxury items, they invest in assets, time, and experiences that make them even richer. The real question is, how are you spending your money? Hit that like button and subscribe for more billionaire secrets.